We all know how great it feels to be on this beautiful campus, to walk across the lawn, to meet with friends at the flagpole, or sit down with a study group in Linderman. Our ability to be together as a residential campus and the bonds we create by sharing the same spaces are what make Lehigh such a special place. With this in mind, I'm pleased to share with you our plans to renovate and reimagine the Clayton University Center. Originally known as Packer Hall, the CUC first opened its doors in 1868 and was the first building constructed expressly for the Lehigh community. It was last renovated in 1958, and I know that most members of the Lehigh community would agree that it needs to be updated. The renovation of the CUC, which we expect to begin late this fall, will help strengthen our community and deepen our traditions by providing new ways for our students to collaborate and connect with necessary services, with clubs and organizations, and with one another. The new Clayton University Center will have fresh eateries and amenities, including a convenience store and a pub restaurant. It will have a dedicated club hub with meeting rooms for student organizations. It will include inviting, open, multi-use space where students will want to spend their time, where they can plan and host events, meet to study and socialize, or gather at the end of the day around the fire pit on the terrace. And it will be a renovation that will preserve the stunning exterior and the historic character of the building we all know and love. We're grateful to Kevin and Lisa Clayton for their generous leadership gift to this project, and we're looking to our alumni and friends to bring this vision to life. I'll be sharing more about our progress and how you can help in the months to come. I cannot wait to see this project launch in the coming months and for the new Clayton University Center to open its doors.